What's up, guys? Today we're gonna go over some motorcycle basics. I spent 40 bucks on some spools and they vibrated off. So now I just went to Home Depot, got a couple of these, and I use this now. First things first, let's talk about turning the bike on. Obviously it has to be in the on position. And let's talk about the kill switch. On this bike, the kill switch is also the start switch. If it's pushed up, it's off. If it's down, it can be turned on. If I push this button in, it'll turn the bike on. If the bike has two things. First, it's got to be in neutral, and the kickstand has to be up. Let me explain. So if the bike is in neutral and the kickstand is down, the bike will turn on. Now it's in first gear, but the kickstand is down, so it won't start. Safety feature. Since it's on the stand, I'll go ahead and put the kickstand up, and now I'll be able to start it while it's in first gear. But before I do that, I want to make sure that I pull the clutch in. This bike has a lot of buttons, switches. I'm not going to go over all of them, but I am going to go over the important one, like the turn signal. A lot of people didn't know this, and I sure didn't. I wish someone would have told me when I first got the bike. When you're using your turn signal, an easy way to turn it off is to push it in. I'll show you that again. So turn signal, and then push it in to turn it off. A lot of bikes don't have this. Hazards. This here is a cruise control. This allows me to set it at the speed that I want. On this side, pretty much the only important button here is a heated hand grips. Comes in 3 modes. When shifting gears on a bike, you want to hold in the clutch, shift to the gear you want, and then slowly let the clutch out. I'll do it one more time. So clutch in, shift gears, slowly release the clutch. All of your braking is done on your right side. Your right lever controls the front brake. Your foot lever controls the rear brake. You'll want to apply both of these at the same time while stopping. That's it for this episode. Thanks for watching. If you guys have any ideas of what you want me to cover next, leave it in the comments. Until next time, stay safe, guys.